Hi students, today I am going to start the new topic next topic of accounting for share capital class 12, a reissue of forfeited share. Forfeited share are become property of the company and the director are to liberty to reissue them at par, at premium and or at discount. However, if the share are reissued at a discount, the amount of discount cannot exceed the amount previously received on these shares, that is forfeited amount. Means listen, we have already seen in our last previous video that the shares are forfeited by the company, then they are not returned the amount which is already paid by the shareholders. So here we are again going to reissue such shares, means director going to reissue those shares which are forfeited by them. There are three conditions, means here they can issue such share at par, at premium or at discount as per their wish. And however, if they are going to reissue the share on discount, in such situation they cannot allow the discount which is more than previously amount previously received on such share. So here listen, if a company forfeited 1000 share, and he reissued full 1000 share, and here the conditions reissue 10 each and reissue also 10, face value 10, reissue at premium 2 rupees, reissue at face value 10 but reissue at 8 rupees, it means 2 rupees discount. So here if we taking an example, out of 10 means the face value of share 10 and the company received the amount on this 1000 share already 6 rupees received, and for non-payment of 4 rupees company forfeit this share. It means company forfeit 6000 rupees. So here when the reissue company at par, means 10 rupees share issued by the company on 10 rupees, then in such situation the journal entry of reissue is bank account debit to share capital, and what the amount received by the company on 1000 share, it means all share issued. So 1000 share of rupees 10 is here 10,000 and here also 10,000. Now if company reissue at 12 rupees, then bank account debit to share capital to, it is reissue at 2 rupees premium. We can say 10 plus 2, it means premium amount and face value. So here SPR account debit 2 rupees. So here on 1000 share we receive 2 rupees premium 2000, and here 10,000, and here total received by the company 12,000. Now it's clear. When the company reissue at discount, in such situation company discount, so bank account, company receive amount bank account to share capital account. Here company receive 8 rupees reissue on 8, so company receive 8 rupees on each share. So here for 1000 share company receive 8000, but company have required to receive 10,000 share capital 10,000. It means company is issued share on 2000 loss. So here 2000 loss means debit, and it should be adjusted from the amount which is already received on such a share, because these share are already forfeited 6000 rupees. It means in share forfeited, when we are forfeited such share, we are passing the journal entry. In that time we are also pass the journal entry to share capital account debit to share forfeited for 6,000 rupees. It means share forfeited account have a balance 6,000, and here we have to loss on such share 2,000. So from 6,000 we have to adjust 2,000, and here share forfeited account debit from 2,000. It means here company have forfeited balance 6,000 in share forfeited. This amount 6,000. Here also 6,000 in share forfeited. Here also 6,000. But out of 6,000, company adjust 2,000 loss. Now in share forfeited 4,000 balance, we have to treat is share forfeited account balance as a capital profit. So we have to pass share forfeited account debit to capital reserve from 6,000 in both situation, from at par at premium. Both situation we transfer the share forfeited account amount 6,000 in our capital reserve. But here we have adjust 2,000 loss from this amount, means share forfeited account. So we have a balance only 4,000. In such a situation we transfer share forfeited account debit from share forfeited account debit to capital reserve 6,000 minus 4,000. कितना 4,000. Okay. Now listen. Second condition. Now listen. In some time, means in previous question when we are solving taking example, in such situation we have to do the question on the basis when the all forfeited share were reissued. But here sometime in our question the part of forfeited share are reissued. It means if we are forfeited 1,000 share, out of 1,000 only 5,500 shares are reissued. Forfeited share reissued. Now listen. In such situation, the company receive means can issue at par, at premium, at discount. If at par, there we have to send only the 5,500 shares forfeited amount in capital reserve. At premium, so in such situation also those amount which is forfeited on 500 share, only this amount we have to transfer in our capital reserve. But at the discount there are some problem that how many amount of forfeited share adjust towards discount. So we have to find out. For this means for the transfer of capital reserve amount, we have one formula. The capital reserve amount will be find out by this formula: total amount forfeited upon number of shares forfeited into number of share reissued. It means total amount forfeited on 1,000 we are forfeit. On 1,000 we are forfeit 6 rupees on each share. It means 6,000. 6,000 number of share forfeited total 1,000, and reissue number of share reissue. Here only part means 500. So here company forfeit 3000, but if it is at par and at premium, this amount we have to transfer because there is no loss against the reissue on reissue. So we have to pass journal entry share forfeited account debit to capital reserve from 3000. But if share are reissued at discount, it means the 500 shares of rupees 10 each reissue at 8 rupees. It means company given discount. It means reissued price is rupees 8. So here we have to loss of on 5000 share into 2, 1000. It means company receive the amount bank account debit to share capital from 5000 into 500 into 10, 5000, but company received 500 from rupees 8, only 4. So 2 rupees we have to debit 5000 share for forfeited account 1000. It means 4000 in bank account. On this share we have already forfeited the amount of rupees 3000, and here its share are going to be issued on discount, and company having a loss of 2 rupees per share means 1000. So if the company forfeit on 500 share rupees 3000 and on reissue 1000 having loss, so it should be adjusted. So we are deduct the amount less here for discount, less discount on reissue. In formula we have, after calculating the amount, less discount on reissue. It means from 3000 we have to minus 1000 discount amount. Now we have to send only 2000 in capital reserve, and we have to pass journal entry share forfeited account debit, here share capital account debit to share capital reserve. I hope each and everything is clear. In next video lecture I am giving you some questions.